Greetings, everybody. I salute everybody, my brothers and sisters in the house. We are still in shock. The passing of our brother, Dr. Musa Oguname. He was a fighter, a good man, a brave man who promotes our African, culture. Indeed, a brother. His death, I would say, makes colors lose their values. The way I am feeling now, it is the way, when I lost my mother, especially my mother, when I lost my best friend, Pastor Andrew Iyamu, 3 years ago. His death so much, strike me. The way I'm feeling now, when we lose somebody, we feel it. But I believe there is grade, The way I'm feeling now is like I've not met him, we have not seen. I don't just know why I am feeling this way. We only talk on phone, sometimes call during my program, sometimes through WhatsApp. And to me, if I were told that somebody you have not met, you will feel like this when you lose that person, I would say it is a lie. Because the Bible says, it is whom you see, you love. But Oguname death really strike me, really. Just like when I lost my mother, when you lost mother, father, everything just like scatter, everything just lose value. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. We all saw him at Edo Benin Airport. I said, Oguname. I was even planning to call him. Still like a dream. I've been waiting, kind of somebody can tell us it is not true. You know me now. I'll be very happy. Waste his money, but it is true that he's no longer with us. Oguname is no longer with us. Oguname is a fighter, What we do, people like me, it's not easy, It's not easy. It's not easy at all. It's not easy. Oguname is no more now. If you go to Benin today, nobody know that somebody like that is gone. Nobody know. You see, Oguname always make video outside. It means I spend like me. I spend money every day to talk about Nigeria, to defend Edo. There is no week, like let's say 2 weeks, at least 15, 20, this 20 euro might be small. But imagine constantly for years. Why am I saying this? Like somebody like Oguname. Nobody even know that somebody like that is gone. But this is a man defending the dues. Sometimes stage a protest in Germany there concerning Benin artifacts. It's not easy. What we do is not easy. Or something like Ijele. Did you know that these people, there are people who don't like our policy, the way we think, the way we talk, what we believe in. They just want us dead because we don't agree with them. Sometimes take your name to native doctors, narrate you. They pray for you to just die. Especially for somebody like me. But I believe I am a Edo man. Edo must decide their fate. Leave my people alone. But some people hate me for that. My own Edo sometimes hates me for that. Sometimes I'll go to other people's platform. I'll see Edo man, insulting me there. Sometimes they will discourage you. When you see your fellow Edo man seeing things like this. What am I fighting for? Not for me. What is the Oguname fighting for? It's not for. It's for the benefit for Edo to be great. If you understand what I fight for, you don't need to insult me. We have different kinds of good men, good people. There are some good men. What they suffer for is what they will eat, their children. If they are okay, no problem. Men like that are good men. There is still another kind of men, not because just what their children, their wife will eat. No, what their community will eat, what will benefit their community. It's also a good man. Some will say no. What does it? It's also a good man. Some will say the whole country. Some say no, the whole Africa. We have seen leaders who think of doing things that will benefit the whole Africa, not just their country. I am a man who believes in the whole Edo because I don't know why. I don't care about what people say because it's not about me. It's about Oguname. Life is like a mirror. Oguname's death, we must learn from his death because there's a way I feel. I won't stay long, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I'm gone. But we have to learn something from this Oguname. The way he returned home like a warrior. He returned like a warrior. A few weeks ago, he was prophesying, saying, he see death. Then he was kind of warning some tribe and say, I see death. You understand me? Maybe it is something vision God gave to him. Maybe he didn't know it's going to happen to him. Maybe I'm just talking like ordinary man, you understand me? Because let nobody clap. Don't clap because somebody died. You will die. Me that is talking now, one day I'll go. Why are you bragging? What are you bragging for? We have different men. Like I said before, some, what if my family is okay? Some, if my community. Some, if my tribe. Some, if my state. Because of what people like us, what we know, we are in a country like Nigeria. We say we are Nigeria. Who gave you the name? Oyibo man. We did not give ourselves the name. You are a Nigerian, how? Oyibo pick some people and say, sign, amalgamation, you are not Nigeria. Did anybody from your tribe say, no, we are not there? We were like, we were not there. No, we are not there. The Oyibo left this country, gave us independence. We are not there. We are hearing minority. People like us now saying, if Nigeria should disintegrate, we are the one that is going to choose the name of the new country. We are the one that is going to say, okay, so that we will not go and make the mistake. And we are saying some group of people cannot come and tell me this is their flag their papa gave to them. This is the name they give to them. Ikwe. Egba. That is what I stand for. If you check them, I'm not wrong. I'm trying to let my, don't fall. We are people. We are not second class. I don't care your population. Nigeria is Nigeria. Even if we don't like Nigeria, everybody want to go their own way. You don't tell me I'm part of you. You're not the one to tell us. Do your own. Me do my own. I'm not wrong. I'm not bad like that. This is what Oguname stand for. This, not that me and Oguname and others, great Benin emancipation. We have been talking since morning. We have been calling each other. Men, even some good Igbos, like Eric Shukudi, people have been calling. I have to off my phone. I have no answer to your question. Right. Even though if I have a question, you think I'm confused like you. How can Oguname? Nobody can do what Oguname is doing from his angle. Me and they do my own, they come. Oguname is there doing his own. Do emancipation. We are few. How am I going to put it? We are correcting people. There are almost 200-300 bloggers against us. We are about 3. The rest of us, we have bloggers too. But these people, they do their local thing. They are not part of us. They do saga thing. We are few. We are just 3-4 that know these things, that is pushing these people back. You can't do it like Oguname. Me, the one that I am. Oguname is Oguname. Austin is my name. I mean, wounded is the wounded. They do emancipation. He said, do emancipation. Me now, I can do my own and do his own. So we lose something. We lose. Nobody can step in that shoe. Nobody. Because he is Oguname. Sometimes, when they provoke me, I will say, you crazy, you stupid, these people, you are monkeys. Hey, monkeys, don't blame me. We don't just wake up, begin to curse. We want to tell you, we are not lazy. We are not, you can't bully us. But Oguname is the only man who still take it easy and say, no, don't generalize. Me, I don't want to. I keep saying it here sometimes. I don't want to. I know it's not all. I just want to hit them for them to know the pain, the way they hit us. That is, Oguname is somebody. Sometimes when he called me, I see him. Don't know if I'm older than him. Like, you can't just be saying you are older than that man. But when he's talking to me, from side to the ND, Domo, domo, domo. In Benin, that's what I will greet our elders. Domosa, domosa. From starting to the ending. But see, me myself, am I older than you? But it's a man with big I. What are you talking about? The only way we have lost so many people in life. But the way I'm feeling now is the way when I lose my mom, when I lose my best friend, Pastor Andrew Yam. Just like this. He owns African store. He owns African store here. It was rainy then. Now when it is, rainy, customers have to rush home. He was alone. He fell down. That's it. Somebody enter and say, a pastor. He was also a pastor. Pastor Yam, pastor. That's the end. We all crying here. This man have been, I don't know him in Nigeria. We are best of friends here for almost 17, 18 years. We crack jokes. The way, just like Ogunama have not face to face, but through phones, we share idea. That's it. I feel this way. That means Ogunama is a special person. And some people are somewhere celebrating. I don't understand. Pastor Joshua, the late TB Joshua died. Now you kill him. Every evil thing, now because of you. But Buhari is still living. Buhari is still living. Anything bad happen, you come and take credit. As if you no go die. God have a way of doing things. Small time it go be your turn. Somebody die. Come on now. Something happened to you the other day. You were saying why people are happy when something happened to you. Is that not what you are doing to people now? And then tomorrow now, maybe it will be your turn. Three or 4 months ago, because I'll be leaving now. 3 or 4 months ago, a certain blogger called me. He talks about the Edo security force, the one Obaseki launched a few months ago. He said some certain things I can't reveal here. He said we in diaspora, this is what this is what we are going to be doing. Do this, do that. It costs money, but this so because it is private, kind of talk. He said the people he want to like people like me, people like Oguname, people like that. He knows that with people like that we are going to succeed. And he called Oguname first. Oguname let him understand. You see this thing you are telling me. Maybe the man that called me will watch this video. He said, without that brother, the wounded, forget it. All these people you are calling, forget it. The only way it will involve it is when you call that man, that our brother, the wounded civilian. Whatever he says, I agree. When that man, me, I see myself, I'm trying. I'm not perfect, But when you hear somebody say things like that and say, you know what, go and call that brother. If that brother is involved in this thing, then without that brother saying yes, forget it, I don't want to be part of it. The guy have to call me because they need him. They say it is when I say if I agreed. I said, well, your plan was good. So, but when that guy, telling me all this, I check myself, I smile because I'm trying. Somebody somewhere saying things like, if that man is not part of this thing, count me out of it. And he's there today. With what that guy, big respect for Oguname. I always play his video here. Post his video. When I'm a dead and spoil my day, everything just spoil. Everything. I have to be watching funny things that will take my mind. I don't know him. We have not met. I have to be watching things that will, today it was about I was planning videos that I was supposed to make a video today concerning, I can't even come out. Today as a whole, indoor, impossible. Because my brother called me this evening, saw the picture. These are people in Nigeria who don't even know what is happening in social media. Those are Nigerians, they don't even know what is happening here. He saw the picture. He said, "It's not that guy we saw that was coming from, came down from Benin Airport the other day." He said, I said, "Yes." What? My brother off the phone. Please. Guname is good. I don't know him like, but what I'm saying, with the way, not that we agreed in everything. When he was talking about Ada Jesus, me, I'm a good man. But I believe in, when you trouble me, I will trouble you. That's what I believe. I don't believe in foolishness. There are some people you show love to. They keep seeing you as a foolish person because you show love to them. There are ungrateful people in life. People that celebrate people's death. Like, they will come and claim, they want to claim that they are the people that do it. That is like a question everybody must answer, whether you young or old, rich or poor. I have seen people that live in America, Igbos or Yorubas live in America for years. They will travel home, they will kill them. Sometimes armed robbers will kill them. Sometimes they will just die. It happens everywhere. It's not good, but it happens everywhere. Nobody know. Maybe if he's sick before, nobody know. It might be heart attack, it might be anything. I'm just saying, for instance, I don't want to have somebody come and flex muscle. I don't do them. Papa God get power. Kings, they die. Queens, then they die. Anybody can die. Guname death really strike me. Really, really. And that is the reason why we, the wounded civilian, for now, I don't think we'll be making any video or talking about Nigerian government or talking about this whoever for now, at least. That's, we can still be posting things. But if you must come online, it must be about Oguname, like about Nigerian government. I don't care. We don't, because like Oguname now, he's dead. What he's doing for his people, those at home are not even doing it. That's the reason why I said, when I'm talking here, and you watching me, I know you spend your money too. You watching me, I know. But me, it is money. These things we are doing is money, for instance. We are not the kind of people, it is our money. It's not like those, those are our people that will say what their internet is the government. It is, especially, can't you see Oguname sometimes? Go outside. When you go outside, you are using the internet in your phone, the one you have in your phone. That's the internet you are using outside. All these things cost money. How the worst you have 30 gigabytes. Sometimes you can make 1 hour live video, 2 hours, it's gone. When you see me making 1 hour live video outside, 30 gigabytes sometimes is gone. That's about 20 euro. I know we are bigger than that, but all this thing is money. 20 to 20. You're talking about 40 euro now. Give somebody in Nigeria, you don't save that person for the day. We'll spend to defend our people, to strike these people back, to talk about Nigeria. But he's dead now. Probably is in freezer now, like mortuary now. Maybe in Benin, nobody even know him. That's what some of us here don't know. I went to home, Nigeria. Nobody know me. Nobody fucking know me. Don't deceive yourself. Nobody know you. But most of the people there, they busy themselves with what they will eat. They struggle. They go to market. They have other things doing. Like, nobody really care. It's only few that understand politics that watch us there. Only few. That's the reason you see them at home. They are targeting diaspora. Bring money, diaspora. Everything they do. That whatever they do, you see them at the party doing Oga at the party. It's not for them at home. Who care about you at home? It is for us here to see they are doing well, to entertain us here. That's the reason whenever we travel, nobody knows us. The only people that know us, few politics. And those in diaspora, I've seen people from Canada, even from Japan. Maybe if 2, 3 like that, maybe if you go to bank, they'll see me. Some of them will come out and say, wounded. I will, wounded, begin to holler. This is the wounded civilian. People in the bank, nobody know me before. Nobody know you. The people they know, it is like a musician. Musician, you sing, they watch your music, they play your music when they are cooking, they play your music when they are going to market, going to work, when they are relaxing at home. Like we here, what would they don't care about us. It's only very few that listen to us. We are not popular. This man that died now, all over Europe, we in diaspora, just like me. When we talk about that, who will not know the name Wounded Civilian? They will, but not at home like that. So if something happened to me, it is only like those of us in diaspora, we are the people crying most now. Not them at home. People at home don't even know him like that. But he spent his time, money, to defend the land. So, I don't want to stay too long here. I just kind of to confirm that Oguname will be missed. Highly will miss him dearly. Will miss him. I will miss him. Because like I said, I've never feel this way. Somebody I've not met, I have to be watching things that is funny so that will take my mind away. Somebody have to say, how can you have to post it, in case you have to post it. It's very important. So I have to look for his video, put Akobegan, and post it. I saw some people making video. Everybody come today, subscribe, and he want to talk about a brother that just brother like Oguname who just died. You are making video, subscribe. Is it about subscribe now? Why can't you post this? Subscribe. You press the subscribe and you want to talk about somebody, husband, son to, That means all these you people are on social media now is for likes and comments, use somebody's death, the life of this man now. Because you that is talking about him now, he have been crying here. My do. My Biafra. My Biafra then who? Nobody shares video. Nobody talk about him. You people don't breathe as if you even know us. He's dead now. You can see that as if you care. That's our problem. You don't die now. Una leave Zaga now because You now is dirty now go bring more viewer. That's what you produce, more viewer, more money, more internet, more. That's it. That's what you do. Subscribe. You shout subscribe. Me, I have a YouTube a page there. How many people they follow me there? 100. 100 they follow me there. You did there. If you like, follow. If you like, no follow. Not for money. Not for money. Not to push news. Push them. Push them. Why am I even putting things there? It is when you log in now, like on Facebook, no, YouTube now. You just write Edo, like Edo Kingdom. You will see all these Igbo Nyamiri with their stupid, sorry. Sorry, today no be to fight. It don't master house. The fight with the ground. I don't start fighting now. It don't master everybody. Fight. You hit me, I hit you. You don't master everybody now. You see me now? I was trying to say something. I don't start the fight. Because it's in me now. Because when I see them, the hate, they show the same hate. Do we like it? No. Me, I'm going there now. I have to, because today is we just lost a brother. Because the hate is already there. Somebody died, you clapping. You're clapping for. How are you going to tell me you are the one that killed him and you cannot kill Buhari? What the fuck is wrong with you now? How are you going to tell me you are the one that killed him and forget all those things are bragging? I mean, who not go die? Tell me, anybody did this life will not go die. Oga say, "Be Agajuwa." Oga say, "Agajuwa." Even though you see them committing nonsense, insulting, leave them for today because of our brother. Unimoma or your mama. Whatever people are doing now, the result they come. I have seen some comment today, like some are even saying if it was me or Ijele. I've seen some comments. If it were me, they would have been happy. Or Ijele. But we all go die one day. Nobody's going to stay forever. Oguname, the videos, the message, people are going to like study him. But a lot of people will learn from his message. But you have good message. You understand me? Well, you know why? Something about Oguname, before I go. You see, he's a traditionalist, somebody that believes in traditional culture. Oguname is one of the people that is proud and tell you, yeah, this is my name, Oguname. Before people like Oguname, people that have the name like that name, like Ibinigun, some of them are afraid to say it. Okay, this is our name. Some of them, people are not even proud of who they are. Oguname is the kind of, he will wear that traditional. My father had the same thing. My father had the same thing. My late father, the same thing. These people, they are proud of what they do. My dad is not a Christian. You are telling him Christian will laugh at you, get away. You will be traditional. Our Gebo, Ebo Magama, Ebaya Biwe. They'll be telling you, it is this same Ebo money he used to train you. Now you want to come and preach Christ, forget Christ. Stuff like that. Oguname is part of the people preach this thing. Make people to be proud of who you are. If you are not a Christian, and so what? If you are not a Muslim, and so what? If you are traditionalist, you tradition, you worship like our ancestors, whatever. Be proud of it. Be proud of it. That is part of the reason why people like us respect, will forever remember Dr. Musa Oguname. Your soul recipes. Only God know how much I, like, you know, I really, it's my guy. Sometimes you don't know how much you love somebody when you lose that person. I never think like somebody like that, I will feel this way, really. The way I feel now is like, it's like the way I feel when you lose your mom. Me, I keep going, how? I don't know. To me, I'm seeing like a very important person. A person, you don't know the value of a man until that person is gone. Nobody like him. Mo seti do we mi na oguna me wero. Me je seti ye wo we seti ye wi me. Ila wo de o to tenya no. The family, may God give them the strength to bear this loss and all those around the world. Let us not fight or run after these people that is throwing stones at us. Let them say whatever they like. Let them make video with his name. Yeah, well, but don't forget, people like, I want to use this girl like this, Ada Jesus. He took it personal. When some of these pastors are messing up, he always take it personal. It's not that kind. There are some certain things I do. I say sometimes, I got annoyed when you say I say it here. You say, well, my papa, your papa too. When they say, do people do you people this? You say this, we are like this. Okay, you people are like that. To hell with God punish. I begin to, sometimes I will come here. It's not in my character, but because of the way they behave. But it is only this man who will always say no. Don't generalize. But this people generalize everything, insult all of us. We have to give it to them. But it's only, I salute his courage sometimes. I will tell him, you are trying. Me, I don't have time. But if they say like this, I will do like that. Just to get the attention. Then they do see, who know what to say, you will go. But God created us in different, like, I am me, the wounded. This is the wounded. Oguname is Oguname. Me, I cannot do Oguname thing. Oguname is Oguname. Nobody can do like Oguname. Oguname is Oguname. This is not a matter of when somebody is no longer, somebody is dead, you begin to say good things. No. That guy is a nice guy when it comes to fighting for freedom, defending his own tribe. So let nobody can, that shoe, it's oversized shoe, something like that. So my brothers and sisters in the house, I salute you all. We all are still, in pain now, grieving. Let us not run after these people. You see, just now I wanted to have to caution myself, not today. Even me, I will not be making video for some time now, really, because it affects me really. If we must come online, it must be like this, if anything concerning Oguname. But like me talking about government or talking about leaving Nigeria problem. Because look at Oguname now, Nigeria continue. Look at Oguname now. It's a mortuary for instance. It's mortuary. And those people continue. Like I said, nobody even know somebody like that even exists in Benin. Most people don't know. The people they know is like these actors. People like, even if actors die, people say, oh, very sorry, and carry on with their life. So, his death, let us learn from his death and caution ourselves. Me, I will learn from his own death. That's me. You understand me? Those are the smiling, using his name to, I don't know, carry on. You understand me? Carry on. I thank everybody for being with me. Like I said, I will not be staying too long. I will not be here for too long. I just want to at least tell you people how I feel about this great man, Dr. Ogunlame. And please, our people, and those, before I log out, let us, we in diaspora, if it is possible, if it is your Facebook page or Facebook account, let us use at least, like, use, if you love Ogunlame, this man, if you know that what he was doing is to push Edo State forward. You remember this time now, sometimes he will organize a protest concerning the Benin artifacts. Sometimes you're criticizing the governor, just like me. We do it for our people. Not that we are coming to Nigeria, we come and beg God, we need work. No, we are people work for us now. We are doing it for our people. So let us, the only thing we can do for him now, if it is possible, let us use his picture. I know to some people it don't mean anything, but to me it means something. Use this picture for profile pictures, for your WhatsApp. If you like him, if you know, at least for some time, to prove to the world, even to our brothers at home, that as you see me, I keep saying, because what we do is like for everybody. Any maybe plan I'm going home to go and do now. It's for those, you understand me? Let us try our WhatsApp, Facebook, use him as a profile picture. We will forever remember yesterday, 18. I believe he died 18 August. That's the best we can do for now, for him. I thank everybody for being with me. I think I'll be logging out now. Thank you and God bless.